everybody, I'm here today to do like a 38.5 week pregnant update. I know that I said I was going to do a lot of like pregnancy vlogging in the last 30 days of my pregnancy, and that has just not happened. And mostly that's because I'm so tired. Like, I know I keep saying this, but it's like I do not remember being this tired when I had Roman. You know, I like felt good, I was high energy, I was ready to give birth, I was just like, you know, in a great mood. And this time I'm just like, I'm over it. I'm ready to meet this baby. And what I really mean is I'm just ready to be done being pregnant. So, and I mean, look, okay, to be fair, look at this. Do you see this? Look. This is insane to me. Like, I'm just ready to be done. So we are just about all prepared for the birth. We have the birth pool set up, which I'm gonna take you upstairs and show you that in a minute. I've met with my midwife kind of for the last time, unless I go past due, and then she'll do a cervical exam and see where we are. But it's just like, please, please don't let us get there. I don't want to get there. My doula has been here twice. We've talked about the birth plan and, you know, contingency plans and all that kind of stuff. So I feel pretty prepared. I think I'm just ready. Ready to not have the anxiety and the dread of the what if of like how it's going to be trying to get attached to a newborn baby and be good to my son. And I know all of you guys have said, like, love multiplies, it doesn't divide, you don't have to worry about it. But you know, there's just that sense, that like really just uneasy feeling of like, I don't know if I have any more love to give somebody. So I think I'm ready to just dive into that and finally be reassured that, like, yes, I can love both children. and I know you guys get it because I've been talking about this a lot on Instagram and on the Chatorama, so I know y'all understand and I appreciate all the advice that I've been given. So with that, I think what I'm going to do is I'm going to show you some of the things that we have been doing to get prepared for the birth, because I know a lot of people have a lot of questions about what home birth looks like and how you set up. So why don't I go ahead and get behind the camera and show you some of those things. So here's one of the things that I just got. I know that this is not related to home birth, but this is her little FisherPrice Pack and Play. No, Rock and Play. Sleep and Play. I don't know. It's one of those that it rocks, and I've got it all set up for some pictures I was taking for Instagram a few minutes ago. But I'm really excited about having this because we didn't have something like this with Roman. We tried putting him in like this little, it was kind of like a bassinet, but it goes right in your bed, and it was like too big. It didn't swaddle him well. So I'm hoping that this is going to really work for us. When I went to visit Nicole in Minnesota, her daughter Rhea had one of these. So when Nicole came and stayed at the hotel with me, she just brought this with her, and I was so impressed by how, like, you know, the baby just kind of goes right in there and it just keeps the baby in like a really swaddled position. So hopefully that's going to work out great for us. We'll see. Alright, so this is our bedroom, and you can see here we have the birthing pool all set up. So really, all we had to do was put down this little tarp here. This is just to catch any water that might spill out while I'm getting in or out of the tub. We do have the hose here. That is going to connect to the tub and then to our bathtub, which is this way. And that's basically where the water is going to flow from. So when it's go time, we're just going to attach that one end to the pool. I don't know where it attaches, but my husband knows. And the other end goes in the tub, and it's just going to pump water straight from the faucet in the tub into the pool. I mentioned last time that the brand that we use is Birth Pool in a Box, and I really like it. I mean, look at how big and spacious and roomy it is. It's like a really, really big pool. Down in there you can see we have the liner that's all ready to go. So when I actually go into labor, we will just be putting that across the whole surface of the pool. And then we've got, I guess, a backup liner. I don't know what exactly that is. That's a yoga ball. I'll be using that to labor on before I get in the pool. And then over here you have a nice little stool to sit on, and that's the thermometer there for keeping the temperature of the water. There's also these great little handlebars right here, which I didn't really understand what those were for when I was giving birth to Roman, but it's basically so that you can sit in that little stool right there, and you use the handles to hold on to keep yourself from going underwater and drowning while you're pushing through a contraction. I had to learn that real fast because I kept like my nose kept going underneath the water, and I was like, I can't push when I'm afraid I'm gonna drown. And so that's what those little handles were for. You also get a nice little cup holder here, so that's where I kept some Gatorade just to stay hydrated while I was doing my delivery. Over here we have kind of the little this is going to be her changing table once she's born, but we've got it set up in here for right now, and we've kind of got all of the stuff that my midwife is going to need. So this is all the things that came in the birthing kit that I showed you in one of my last videos. We've got the sponges and the pads to put the baby on, cord scissors, a little bulb, cord clamps, and all that fun stuff. Down here we've got lots of towels and some pacifiers, and eventually that's where we'll be putting some, newborn diapers and things like that, so we can put those on her once she comes into the world. Down here I have what I'm going to be using as her receiving blanket. This is the pufferfish print that we just got in from Lulu Lollipop, and it's just so cute. It just came out of the wash and it's really soft. It's just going to be perfect for wrapping her up in once she's born and we've weighed her and all that stuff. So that's kind of the whole setup there, and we've just left that bottom shelf available so that my midwife can set up her stuff down there if she needs to. So in here is the bathroom, and pardon our mess, we're still getting everything all cleaned up. But in this closet is where we're kind of keeping the rest of the birthing materials. So you can see we've got just anything that we might need: hydrogen peroxide, lubricant. Down in here we've got some of the little mesh underwear that I was telling you about, and pads and things like that. So this will be another resource for my midwife to use, because we will be coming in and out of here quite a lot. I might be trying to labor in the bathtub for a little while, and this of course is where that hose connects to go over into the pool, and the water will come straight from the tub into the pool. So yeah, that's basically how all that is going to work. You can come on in, Charlie. Do you want to say hi?
Not like this.
You can just put your face in right here.
Hi.
That's the best we're gonna get out of Charlie today. So yeah, that's basically it. I mean, you don't have to have an elaborate setup for home birth. You just have to buy the kit and set it up like we have it over there. You gotta blow up the pool. Okay, so this is the pump that goes into the pool that actually like sucks the water out of the pool when we're all done. So this will actually, I guess, go in the pool, Charlie?
Yeah, that goes in the pool.
Goes in the pool, and then the hose connects to the pool, and you take that.
The hose connects to the pump, and you drain the hose into the tub.
Okay, so the hose goes into the pump, which is in the pool, and then it sucks the dirty water out and into the toilet, and then you just flush the toilet?
Yeah.
Yeah, just flush the toilet, and then the water's gone.
Well, you're probably better off putting it into the tub.
Or the tub. Whichever.
Or the sink.
Shut up.
Okay.
Come sit here with me. Come here.
Kind of like this?
Just sit down. No one can see you. So yeah, are you all ready?
I am ready.
Are you wanting this to happen now, or are you kind of wishing that it'll like take a little longer?
I don't know. Maybe happen. Yeah, if it happens now, I'll be okay.
Yeah? Yeah,
let's get it done. Get her done.
That's where I am too. I'm just ready to be done.
Yeah. You want to see my hose?
No, I don't. Alright, so I guess I'm gonna end the vlog there. I'm like at that point in pregnancy where just like talking gets me out of breath. So rather than making you listen to me heave and hoe while I try to talk, I think I'm just gonna go. Hopefully this will be my last pregnancy vlog, because I'm really thinking that maybe this baby will come this week, and in that case my next video will be showing you the baby and revealing her name to you. I'm excited to share with you guys what her name is and introduce her to y'all. Y'all have been so encouraging and supportive through all this, and I'm just really grateful. So I hope you guys have a great week, and I will see you next time. Bye-bye.